lip gloss all up in my fur coat. Okay. What's up, you guys? It's Alexa. Welcome back to the Navarose channel. I'm like on a stool right now, so I'm kind of like really wobbly. So today I'm going to be doing a clothing haul, which I realized I haven't done a clothing haul in a really long time. This is like long overdue, and I'm so excited, as you guys can tell by like I just keep talking. The way I do clothing hauls are a little different. I like to do these things called first impression clothing hauls, which is me trying on the clothes on camera. That way you guys can see my initial reaction, like my first thoughts, things that come out of my head. I'm not really like a quick thinker, so like whatever comes like in my head or like what I see, I will just say it out loud and like blurt it out, which is great because that way you guys can see how I really feel about the clothes and I can't like fake it or nothing. So in today's video, I'm gonna be trying on clothes from Shein and Dollskill, so big thanks to Shein for sponsoring this video. These are actually two stores that I shop at quite often, but surprisingly, I've never done a haul for them. So this is gonna be fun and interesting. Right now, Shein has a Fearless Dream collection, which is all about being fearless, be strong, and be you. A lot of their pieces are very bold and out there and just like very extra, which is why this haul is more of like on the extra side because everything is just like just like out there, like in your face type of clothes that I picked out because like I have like a 5 or 4 faux fur jacket. That was a tongue twister. But anyways, yeah, they're like pink and purple. Like, why? Who would need that many pink fur coats? As I'm wearing a pink fur coat right now, I just realized, oh my gosh, okay. Anyways, to me, it doesn't matter if you consider yourself skinny or fat or thick or slim thick with big boobs, no boobs, whatever. As long as you have confidence in whatever you're wearing, I feel like you could rock whatever you want. Shein puts up like 500 pieces a day because they're getting ready for the Black Friday sales coming up. And that is so many clothes, which is perfect because like that's a lot of options no matter if you have like edgy or extra style like me or you're more on the basic style. You can find whatever you need. And if you guys want to save some money, which I think you guys should because everyone loves to save money, you guys can use my discount code navarose for 20% off your first order and free shipping if you guys spend over $49 or more. They also offer free returns within 40 days of ordering. So if you guys aren't like into something or you ordered like a bigger size for something, then you guys could exchange it. And they actually have a pretty cool app which I also use, and it's perfect because you know Black Friday is coming up, so I'm gonna be shopping on my phone wherever I am, walking down the street, at the grocery store, at the airport. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next time that I post. I'm excited to try on all these clothes, so let's go do that right now. There's so many fur coats, I'm very excited. Okay, so if you guys aren't familiar with the way I do hauls, I have a mirror right here. I have my beautiful little backdrop right here, which I like change and stuff so you guys can hear me talk and stuff, but I'm still like hidden, you know? And let's get started. So the first item I'm gonna try is this like lavender faux fur coat, which is literally like the same as this peach one, but this one's like lavender, and I can already tell that this fur is way nicer than this one. This one feels a little bit more silkier, so okay. This one I got in an extra small, and this is $43. So extra. Yes. Ooh. Dun 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 dun. Oops. Whoa. Nice. Ooh. I'm also very annoying when I do these hauls because all I say is cute and ooh and yes. So I pre-apologize for me being obnoxious and saying the same words over and over again. After like I steam it and make it not so it looks like it came out of a poly bag type of look, then it'll be okay. Kind of giving some Lil' Kim vibes right now. I just love faux fur coats, especially like bright pink ones. Okay, so the next item I'm gonna try on is actually from their Fearless Dream collection, which they have like 9 styles. And I wanted to go with the white sweater that says, be strong, be fearless, be you. If I could get over my head. I just got lip gloss all over the shirt. My bad. Okay, I'll do a little tuck in. Yes. I found this one photo on Instagram where this girl had this like off-white Sherpa crop jacket, and then I saw it on the Shein site and I was like, I must have it. So I picked one up. This one is a small and this is only $25. I love Shein and Dollskill. They like fit my style perfectly and they don't break the bank, which is perfect. Oh, this is so adorable. With this like nude little ensemble going on right now. I might wear this out tonight. This whole outfit. Let's go with the top now. now. So I'm gonna try on this off-shoulder top. Right off the bat, I mean, I must say, it did look like red orange on the website, and then the colorway did say orange, but this is like a red. Yikers. I got this in an extra small, and this is only $6. I love tops that are like super cheap and like really basic because it's like worth it, you know? This, guys, will be the first off-shoulder top that I own. It fits. I'm surprised. Sometimes it doesn't fit even though it's like an extra small, but this one fits perfectly. You guys know the like 90s crop tops with like the straight neck and like the really skinny straps. It's in a pleather material, so I'm really excited about that. And I'm really excited because it's supposed to be only $5. It also got really dark really fast, so yeah. What? How does this go? Wow, these straps are really skinny. I feel like the straps are gonna be long, too long. Oh wait. Oh! Wow, it actually fits. I thought the straps were gonna be long. They aren't. I love how dainty these little straps are. I would totally buy this top in multiple 1,000 colors. Okay, I'm really excited for this colorful cardigan. Something you would see like at Unif or Lazy Oaf. Surprisingly, I got a size small in outerwear. And this cardigan is $19. I think it's fun like if you have like just like a basic outfit. It's not like your typical rainbow either. So they have like the red, the mustard. They have like a teal, a baby blue, and a pink and purple. So I think that's like a really cute combo. And I love it so much. Of course, I'm wearing it off the shoulder, non-functional. It's not keeping me warm at all. Oh. Okay, these straps don't really do anything though. Oh, they got pockets. Ooh. It's a cute $20 cardigan. I thought this rhinestone bodysuit was cute because, I don't know, I just really like rhinestones and stuff. Maybe it'll look cute on, but kind of just looks like warts. It looks really nice on camera, but like in person, it looks like warts or something. Let's try this on. Do I have to get naked again? This bodysuit is $18. Ah, my face. They did not skip out on all the rhinestones, though there's plenty of rhinestones on here. A little overboard on the rhinestones. Usually it's like the opposite, like they won't put enough rhinestones, but this one, they put like hella rhinestones on this one. What do you guys think? Oh, it's kind of big. Personally, I would want my mesh suits to be like sticking to me. I think just like looking at myself, I'm just like, I don't know. It looks nice in the mirror and on camera, right? I'm sad I have braids on and I can't hair whip. Work rhinestones, yes. Usually for the holidays, I wear glitter and rhinestones like every day. Or do I just do that every day, no matter what season? So the next outfit I'm gonna try on is this two-piece blazer set. It's not really a set. They're sold separately, but I really wanted the set, so I just got both of them. So the pants I got in an extra small. Hopefully these fit. Okay, the pants are a little big. They got pockets. For $15, this is actually a good pair of pants. Oh, I was like, wait, I'm missing a button. They are a little long. I am like 5'1", so that's probably it. But I think if I wore like platform boots, I should be a-okay. This I got in an extra small as well. Everyone needs a good pink suit, you know? I don't know anytime anyone would ever need a pink suit. I think for me, I would want my high-waisted pants probably like this high. Just like so unnecessarily extra, the suit. It's like, oh my god. But it's cute, I like it. Okay, you know what would be perfect to try on now is this hot pink fur coat. Again, do I need another fur coat? I really do not. This is probably like my 6th pink fur coat, but they're all different. This one is hot pink and it has like a collar. I'm just making up excuses at this point. Okay, this one is actually $42 and I got this in a extra small. Yeah, this is so extra. The fur looks a little sad because it's been in a bag for like, I don't even know, all the way from another country probably. I love this coat though, it's so extra. Oh, I love it. Next I'm gonna try on this gingham set. Looks like a picnic table, but they styled it really well to where I was like, I actually want that two-piece set, so I decided to get it. This two-piece set is $31 and an extra small. I definitely look like a little picnic girl. Oh my gosh, guys, the extra small fits my waist. Okay, this is kind of weird. And then jackets I usually wear oversized, so this shouldn't really be a problem. I definitely look like I'm going on a picnic. I look like the picnic table right now, actually. Although I look like I'm going to a picnic, it is pretty cute. I just like the material and I like that the skirt actually fits. Be strong, be fearless, be you. Even though you look like a picnic table, be confident. The last item is probably one of my favorite items. Okay, so it's this lavender fur coat that has like embroidery down the side. I like it because the color is really interesting. I also like it because it uses Old English font. I have no idea what the font says, and I've tried to look at different photos. Looks like cool something. We'll find out right now. Okay, but this fur coat is $25, and I got this in an extra small. We'll see what this thing says. What does it say? Cool. Oh, cool girl. Oh, okay. Cool girl. Sometimes it'll just say something completely random and you're like, wait, what? Wait, what? Is this even English? But cool girl. Okay, that makes sense. This is so cute. I love this color. Even though like you can't really tell like what it says, totally fine. I don't really care. I don't want anyone reading like the side of my jacket anyways. I wish there were side pockets. I keep doing this. I really want to give everyone hugs in this jacket because it's so soft. $25. I would so buy this in different colors. So that was it for all the Shein stuff. Now I have some things from Dollskill, which I am gonna actually start off with this fanny pack because I like already opened it. I'm sorry, like sometimes I do that. Sometimes there's just like one thing that I really want to open. So I do it anyways. Okay, so it's this fanny pack that has like a really cool chain strap, and I love it so much because it's really edgy and it's just, I really like the chain strap. Unfortunately, this one is already sold out, so I'm not really sure exactly like how much it was. It's an exact dupe of Alexander Wang's fanny pack. So I brought this fanny pack to New York and I didn't really realize that it was an exact dupe of Alexander Wang's fanny pack, and then I was walking into the A. Wang store and then I was like asking about like a specific bag, and he was like, well, where'd you get this bag? And I'm like, oh, this one's Dollskill. And he was like, I totally thought this whole time that that was our bag. So good job, Dollskill, for making a really good dupe. I'm gonna try on this one next. It's like this faded mock neck turtleneck dress, and I think it would look really cool under this because they also use Old English font. This is a size extra small, and this is $32? $32! Braids was a bad idea for today's video. That was such a struggle. How messy is my hair now? The neck part was so tight. Oh, this is cute though. So if you guys aren't familiar with Dollskill, it's very, again, like out there type of clothing. Whenever I shop there, I usually get a lot of like the edgy stuff. Too much typewriter type of thing. But this would look really cute like underneath the shirt. Like if you guys wanted to layer this and put like a shirt over it, I think that would be perfect. Next up is this chain belt. I'm so sorry, but I love this so much, and it really fit with my Instagram post, and I was like, I really want to wear it. So yeah, I opened it already. So you guys could either use it like as a bag strap, but I always like to use it as just like the little chain detail. See how cute it is? It has like a little heart chain right here. I'm gonna try on this buckle set because it's actually also sold out, so I'm not really sure how much it is either. This is in the size small. I'm now realizing this tan is like the same color that I am, so I might look naked. The silver straps are really cold. I mean, the silver buckle. Boot part is big. Okay, I look naked. I'm not sure how I feel about this buckle set. It's so cute, but I don't think it's cute on me. It literally is the same color as my skin tone. Like right now in the camera, it just looks like I have 3 buckles right here. Like, oh man, darn it. Well, to finish off this haul, I saved one more set, which is this plaid 2-piece set. These actually were sold separately, but I wanted them in a set because I thought it was really cute. Reminds me of Clueless, just Clueless that went grunge and punk. The skirt is $45, which is not the cheapest for a skirt, but they have a lot of trimming, heavy duty trimming actually. And these I got both in an extra small. The bralette is $18, and this has pretty cool trim on it and closures. Oh, this is cute. Just trying to adjust this right here so it's not as big. Ta-da! It actually fits! Okay, well, I mean, obviously you guys can kind of see like my band-aid, boob band-aid thing. Just ignore that. This is cool because they have like these little clasp things for the trimming, and then they have a bunch of like O-rings and D-rings just like all along the skirt and stuff. So there's a lot of cool trimming on this. I mean, I think if I were to wear this together, I would probably throw on like a black jacket or something like this. Oh. But probably only to like an event or like a function or something like that. Don't think I would wear this out to Trader Joe's. This is a little much for Trader Joe's. But I would definitely wear the skirt with like something basic like this and wear it for like an everyday type of look, you know. Yay! I decided to change back into my fur coat because I love it so much and my hair is like a mess. So anyways, that concludes my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and And if you guys did, please give this video a big thumbs up to let me know that so I can keep doing first impression hauls for you guys. All the clothes that I tried on today will be listed down in the description box below so you guys can check that out. Also, don't forget to use my code navarose for discounts off your Shein order because you know you gotta save money for that young Christmas shopping that's coming up in a month or for Black Friday. If you guys want to connect with me on social media, all my socials are at thenavarose. I love you guys all and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
PD, all I do is work hard, no sleep. PD, all I do is work